What's up, guys? This is Greg here, and I wanted to give you guys an update about where I am with the project and to give you guys a checkout of what my current working space is. I mean, I am right now in my garage, which is like a 12 by 20 single car garage, and this is what I'm working with. So I wanted to let you guys know that, hey, like if you don't maybe have the space but have a little bit of space, you can do exactly what the heck I'm doing. And this is what is going on here. So currently what I've got going on is I'm putting together the blast cabinet from Harbor Freight that I picked up. I actually got it on sale. This thing is normally like $189 or $180 or something. I found a coupon online, picked it up for $150, got it shipped to my house for like $156. Cannot go wrong. Got the transition mountain bike hanging up. Any of you guys Patriots fans? Let's go Pats. But my fiance and I, Sam, are actually renting this place out, but I'm making the best of what I can with the situation. As you can see here, I got the 450, and then I've got the Harley kind of shoved in the corner here to give me as much space in the center of the garage. Man, this place looks like a mess. Anyway, got the skis kind of in the corner with the dirt bike ramp. Let's see what's going on in this other corner. A bunch of the parts for the KX250, the suspension that I need to dive into, but basically all the plastics that I'm not going to use. I've got my little oil pan in the back. I just picked up this tire changing stand off of Amazon. I think it's made by Pit Posture or something, but that thing was like, I don't know, 70 bucks or 80 bucks. So it'll definitely help me out with changing the tires. But as we move on, here's my sweet lights for the studio lighting. Got all the parts for the KX all cleaned up and where I'm currently at. I mean, what's the date? It is February 23rd at 11:50. This is where I'm at. So I'm trying to get this thing done for April 15th for Team PRYME submission, but I got a lot of work to do. It's quite the work to try to film and actually do the work itself, because there's so much moving around the camera to get all the shots and everything. Like, I definitely give Adam Paganelli and Cameron a lot of props for that. There's Sam's bike up there hanging from the ceiling. Likewise with my bike. What else we got? We got the paddle boards up top there with the pumps. Got a couple bike pumps, our mountain bike helmets, and my Husky dirt bike helmet hanging up. Sam's snowboard case set right there in her snowboard. But basically got some shelving units for all the dirt bike parts and miscellaneous stuff, like if I can move this thing here. Got all my chemicals, Husky fender, rear fender, a couple old number plates from a 2011 CRF 450 that I used to have, 2008 KX 450, and those are the shrouds from the KX 250. Oh my God, I almost just fell over. Moving on, we've got some Christmas stuff from the homeowner that we're renting from that I just basically shoved up in there. Some random shit like my empty gas tank, but show you guys the workbench that I'm working off of. This is basically another Harbor Freight. I think this was like another $100 purchase that I made, set it up. No problem at all. Took a little bit to set up, but it's got the pegboard. I got the pegboard hangers for it too. So, I mean, you can see, got a few wrenches, and I got the good old PRYME MX pads that I'm working with from Cameron, and the gut seat cover, little preview. I'm gonna be throwing on the seat. Team Green Chevy trucks, Kawasaki. But, oh God, stepping on some more shit. But yeah, basically, this is what I'm working with, guys. So you can make use of the space that you have. I mean, I've got some storage from the house that I've got, all our camping gear and stuff. Another little cabinet set up with just a bunch of crap, basically. Got the air compressor, toolbox. Just went to Walmart and picked up some light bulbs that we needed. But yeah, let me swing around for you guys. But make it happen. That's pretty much the point of this video. And I also wanted to show you guys the workspace that I'm working with. So, I mean, it doesn't have to be something crazy or extravagant. I mean, I'm putting the sandblaster together so I can do my own Cerakoting. I mean, I'm still gonna buy a Cerakote gun for all that stuff, so plenty of work to be done. I still need to dive into these wheels, but you guys can do it at home. You don't need to go spend the money to have someone else do it. I mean, make do with what you have. So that's that's my shindig for today on this Sunday. Let me swing it back around. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. But that's what I'm working with, and hope you guys stay tuned to my future videos coming up. Thanks a lot. Peace.